of this Chow Crown, which we got from Lazada. So right here you can see there's a lot of packaging. You can get this at Lazada or like different like Shopees or more. But we got this at Lazada because that's where we got it. So here's a lot of packaging. Normally when you buy something from Lazada, there's always a lot of packaging. So many tape, even at the back. But I'm gonna play with these. Unboxing. You need an adult to watch you because this is very, very dangerous. So kids, you cannot do this without adult supervision. So let's take this. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna turn this to you guys. So this is the Chow Crown right here. It's very big. So you can see there's this guy having fun with the game. So it says here, load up the fork. So basically these are forks here. And then there's a button where you have to press and it spins. And then catch the spinning snack. So you can put any snack you want. And it says eat them all before the song ends to win. Oh, so there's a song. Okay. Look, this goes like, I ate all first. So it says, wait. Oh my gosh. It says, okay, that's right. So here at the back, it says, eat the spinning snacks before the music stops. So here's how it looks like in the back. Well, normally these are not real people. It's just like animated right there. And here comes the real people. This guy looks like he's having so much fun. Like, so much fun. We're gonna take this out of the box and see how it looks like. And it looks like there's a lot of pieces. Oh, so this looks like it's the headpiece where, oh no, we're gonna be doing assembling. So I don't already know how to put this in the head. So we're not gonna use it yet first. But it comes with this headpiece right here, and looks like you're gonna put your head here because I see in this guy the orange part is here, which the orange part, this is the piece. So oh, so this one looks like a crown. This one looks like a crown with these beautiful gems. These gems look like this one's a strawberry. This one's green pepper, I guess. Wait, am I right? Whatever, green bell pepper. And this one looks like chicken, like meat. That is yummy. Oh, so this headpiece, oh, looks like this one is supposed to be here. So they just tied it like that. But we're gonna put that later because we need to see the differences. So it looks like, okay, we have a crumpled instructions here, but we're gonna see if we have more stuff. Oh yeah, we have more stuff. So what? This only came with one? Okay, that's weird. So here's this beautiful instructions here. But we have these like little forks. Yeah, forks. Wait, is it forks? Oh, this is a fork. What am I doing? So these are the forks, and I don't even know how to use it. Oh, so this, you put it on the forks, and then this, you put it here, and then this big piece, right here, you put it here, I guess? Okay. Instructions, definitely instructions. My mom assembled this later, but comment down below if you have like these stuffs right here, and do you use the instructions or you just build them like you're a genius how to build them? Because normally other people draw the instructions, but we don't because we don't know how to do it. So normally we basically need subtraction, instructions. I'm going to math now. Subtraction. So, oh my. I'm definitely gonna need my mom to do this. That's a lot. So, ito na yung final product na ginawa namin na napakahirap. So, ito siya sa front, ito sa back. Okay. So, as kita nyo, ito siya. Lalagay mo ulo mo dito. Tapos, ito, parang dito sa part na ito, parang hindi siya mahulog. So, normally, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yan. Sorry. So, here, iikot ko. Ito na yung Chow Crown. So, may battery na siya. And here's the button. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Actually, susuotin ko siya. Ay, mali pala ako. Ang hirap. So, ito yung button guys na pipindutin niyo para mag-on at mag-on yung saw. So, oh no. Guys, try natin i-balance. So, wala siyang pagkain ngayon. Ow, 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 ow. So guys, umiikot siya, may sound siya, maganda siya. And, what the chicken happened here? Okay, so yun nga, nagka-pair-pair. Lamali ko kung ano nangyari doon. So here's the strap para masupport sa inyo. So, pero i-try nyo lang i-balance. Kasi dati, nakita nyo nga, paulog-hulog. Kasi hindi ko ma-balance. And gusto ko lang makain ng pagkain na nasa which is I'm excited for. So, tell me down in the comments guys kung gusto nyo pa ako gumawa ng Chow Crown Challenge ulit na part 2. So, if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're